In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use clipping masks in Affinity Designer. A clipping mask lets you use one object to control the visibility of another, which is perfect for shaping photos into clean, custom silhouettes without permanently editing the image. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set this up and tweak it with confidence. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer. Have a document ready with the image you want to work with already on the canvas. We'll be masking that image, so keep it visible and unlocked. If you're working with multiple layers, it helps to glance at the Layers panel so you know what's selected before you begin. Next, look to the toolbar on the left and click the Shape tool. Affinity Designer offers rectangles, ellipses, stars, polygons, and more. Choose the one that fits your design idea. If you're after a perfect circle or square, remember you can hold Shift while drawing to keep the proportions locked. With your Shape tool active, draw the shape directly in front of your image on the canvas. The phrase "in front of" simply means the shape layer should sit above the image layer in the stacking order. If, after drawing, the shape seems hidden behind the photo, select it and make sure it's on top in the Layers panel. Position and size the shape so it frames exactly the portion of the image you want to reveal. You can nudge it with your arrow keys for precision and use the handles to resize. When your shape is in place, right-click on it to open the context menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click does the same thing. Double-check that the shape is selected before you right-click. Otherwise, you won't see the option you need. From that menu, click Create Clipping Mask. Instantly, your image will be clipped to the boundaries of the shape, turning the shape into a window that reveals only what's inside its edges. The beauty of this approach is that it's non-destructive. Your original image remains intact beneath the mask. If you want to refine the result, move or resize the shape to change which part of the image is visible. You can also select the image layer itself and reposition it within the mask for perfect framing. Try different shapes for creative effects, and remember that smooth, clean edges come from well-placed anchor points and consistent scaling. That's all there is to it. You've just created a professional clipping mask in Affinity Designer with a few simple actions.